Today I'll be installing an hour meter on this Honda EU3000 generator. Hour meters are very important for being able to track the lifespan of a generator, and especially for knowing when you should perform different service intervals, like for oil and stuff like that. The Honda EU3000 generator is absolutely awesome. It's legendary, but unfortunately it doesn't actually have an hour meter on it from the factory. So today I will be installing this hour meter right here, which I got from Amazon. It's just a really basic hour meter that tracks the hours, and then it allows you to set different service intervals for having an alert, so you'll know when you should change your oil or do whatever for the service. One of the reasons I chose this hour meter is because it does have a replaceable battery, which I think is extremely important. I don't understand the point of having one without a battery, since once the hour meter dies, you lose track of your hours. But anyways, before we can install this thing, we're going to have to figure out where the spark plug ignition wire is on the engine. Because the way these hour meters work is they just have this one single wire that you wrap around the ignition wire on the engine, which tells the hour meter when the engine is running. This right here is the spark plug cap for the engine that's inside of this generator, and the way we're going to get this hour meter installed is we're going to have to get the sensor wire on the bottom and wrap it around the ignition cable right here. Let me just get you a closer look at that in there. This ignition cable right here is the one we'll have to wrap around, and that way when the engine is running, the hour meter will know it. It'll be able to sense the ignition through the coil. For the mounting location, I'm going to just put it right here on the side of the generator. That way it's in the same proximity of the rest of the controls. So for the next step, we're just going to get the sensor wire and we're going to fish it in through the cover and then all the way into the generator so that we can wrap it around the ignition coil wire. I plan on using the vents so that I can utilize zip ties to mount this thing. It did come with a 3M adhesive pad, but I really don't want to mess with adhesive, so I'll just be using zip ties for this one. Here's the finished product. Let's go ahead and take it out back and see if it works. I let this thing run for a while and the hour meter does seem to be working as expected. It does have an RPM mode, but I turned it off because I don't care too much about that. Thank you for watching.